Julia is a successful boutique owner based in LA. While her in-store sales are going well, she was working on launching a website of her store. But as she started to work on that, she illustrated loads of photos for her website. She was about to hire someone until her friend Annie suggested of using Photocolorist. Have you been facing something similar to Julia? Are you working in retail industry or at a marketing agency? Are you a professional photographer or an e-commerce store manager? Do you need to work with a lot of photos every day? Photocolorist offers you all the photo editing services you need. We are a professional photo editing company with clients all across the globe. We have a team of 200 photo editing professionals working to optimize photos for you, just the way you want them. Get services from us within 24 hours of submission. We guarantee 100% customer satisfaction and security. Our price is affordable, starting from only $1. Choose your optimum plans and leave your tedious work onto us. E-commerce photo editing, photo ghost mannequin, photo retouching, photo clipping bath, jewelry photo editing, photo colorization, pro photo editing. We are your one-stop solution. You can choose your plan as monthly, yearly, bulk order, or Pro Plus. So don't wait. Leave your minuscule editing chores on Photocolorist and save your precious time. Visit www.photocolorist.com now.